Do you want to create beautiful coloring pages for your kids, or maybe even sell a coloring book on Amazon KDP, but you can't draw? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a fantastic way to create your own unique coloring characters and use them to build all sorts of different scenes, all while keeping your characters looking consistent and perfect every time. Before we jump in, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us make more great content for you. Ready? Let's go. For our first step, we're going to create a simple sketch to define the main features of your character. You need to draw the full body in a pose, just like the example we're working from. Don't worry about perfection right now. This is just a guide. You can use any drawing tool you like for this part. In this demonstration, I'll be using the classic and simple Microsoft Paint. Save the image for the next step. In the next step, we will use the draw to create our characters with Gemini Nano Banana AI model. It's free and fast, so we can create many images we need. Upload the image we saved before and write the prompt to create our first character. Nice. Save the image. We will use it later. To speed things up, create more characters by edit the prompt. Gemini will reuse the draw you already uploaded with the updated prompt. Don't forget to save the images. Now that we've successfully established the consistent look for our characters, it's time to start making some fun coloring pages. For this step, simply drag the two character images you want to use into the Gemini input box. For now, we're going to stick to just two characters in the scene. I'll show you a great trick for adding a third character later on in the tutorial. Here is a key step. Make sure you write a very descriptive prompt of the scene you want to create. The more detail you give the AI about the background and action, the better the final coloring page will look. You can copy the example prompt directly from the video description below and then adjust the details to fit your specific story. Awesome! Now that we have our first page, let's create a few more scenes using the exact same characters. Watch closely as we adjust the prompt for a new setting. The best part is, because we used the AI's ability to keep the character consistent, their look is perfectly preserved in every new scene we create. You can see how easy it is to build an entire coloring book story without having to draw the characters again. Now, let's talk about creating a scene with 3 characters. To make it easier for the AI to understand your request, you need to first combine all 3 of your established characters into a single image. You can do this by using a simple photo editor to place all 3 character images side by side. Drag that single, combined image into Gemini. When writing your prompt, make sure to clearly state that you want to use all 3 characters from the uploaded image in your new scene. This will give you the best, most consistent result. Here's a pro tip for making sure your coloring pages look amazing when printed. If your final AI images aren't quite large enough for a high-quality print, you have 2 great options. You can run your images through a dedicated AI upscaling service. These tools are excellent at intelligently adding detail to make the resolution much higher. Even better, if your tool allows, convert the line art into an SVG scalable vector graphic format. Vector files can be scaled up to any size, billboard size, or tiny postage stamp with absolutely no loss of quality. It stays perfectly crisp. If you're creating these pages just for fun, go ahead and print them. Time to grab your crayons and enjoy coloring. If you're interested in selling coloring books on Amazon KDP, check out our other videos where we show you the full process from start to finish. If you have any questions about this process, please write them down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next video, don't forget to like and subscribe.